Good day, everyone. I'll be creating the required virtual network and subnet for provisioning the managed instance in South India and Central India location. So I'm going to provision South India virtual network in resource group JB_MI_SI, and the virtual network in Central India will use the resource group JB_MI_CI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the virtual network in South India. So let's click on create. I'm going to select the required resource group here, and then I will put in the name for this virtual network, which is JB_SI_VNET. I'm going to select the required location, which is South India, and then click on next. I will leave all these things as default and then click on IP address here, and then I'm going to remove the default one here. So let me delete the address space and then click on add an IP address, and I'm going to use IP starting address as 172.20.0.0, and then the address space size would be 16, and then I will click on add here, and I'm going to add a subnet. I'm going to name this subnet, which basically will host all my managed instance in South India, as JB_DB_subnet SI, and the IP address that I'm going to use is 172.20.1.0. That's the starting, and then the subnet size would be 26 here. Then I will click on add, and then I will add one more subnet, which will basically be used for the VMs that will act as a jump server to connect to these managed instance that I'm going to create at a later stage. So the starting address would be 172.20.2.0, and then the subnet size would be close to 27 here. Yep. And then I will click on add, and then I will click on next. I'm going to leave it all blank, and then I'm going to click on review plus create, and then I will create this particular virtual network. Let's wait for it to complete. Okay, so the deployment is completed now. Now we have our virtual network created in South India. Let's verify that. So we have this virtual network JB_SI_VNet created in resource group JB_MI_SI, and the location is South India. Let's go to the subnets and then verify if we have it. Yes, we are able to see the subnet for managed instance and also for the VMs that will act as our jump server. So let me create one more virtual network on location Central India. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the required resource group, which would be JB_MI_CI, and then the virtual network name is JB_CI_VNet. I'm going to select Central India here as the location. So here it is. So let's click on next security. I will leave these things as default. I will click on IP address. Let me remove this one, and I will create a new one, and this time I'm going to use an starting address of 192.168.0.0, and then I will select 16 here for the address space size. Let me add it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an subnet for the managed instances that will be created in Central India. The name of the subnet is JB_DB_subnet_CI, and the starting address would be 192.168.1.0, and I will have the subnet size as close to 26, and then I will click on add here. So let me click on next, and then I will create this particular virtual network in Central India. Okay, the deployment is completed. So let's go to the resource, and then we can see that this particular virtual network, which is JB_CI_VNet, is created in resource group JB_MI_CI, and the location is Central India, and this is the address space. Let's go to the subnet. And yes, we are able to see the subnet that's going to host our managed instance. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.